adoring one who has developed himself excels fire worship of 100 years. Dhammapad 107. A person may perform fire worship ritual in the forest for 100 years. Yet, for a person who adores just for a moment a self-restrained, disciplined Arahant, that moment's adoration of the Arahant is far nobler than the fire worship of 100 years. One might tend for 100 years the forest sacred fire, but if for only a moment one might honor the self-developed, such honor then were better by far than century of sacrifice. Dhammapad 107. Jose বশস্বতং জন্তু অজ্ঞিং পরিসরে বনে একংশ ভাবিতত্তানং মূর্তমপি পূজয়ে সায়েব পূজনা সেয় জনসে বশস্বতং হুতং. Dhammapad 107.